Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will guide you through the simple steps to register for a Bet365 account. Let's get started. First of all, go to the official Bet365 website or download the app from your device's app store. Make sure it's the official one to keep your information secure. Once you are on the home page, click on the Join button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Now fill out the registration form. You will need to provide details like your name, date of birth, email address, and phone number. Choose a unique username and a strong password to secure your account. Bet365 requires identity verification for security. You will be asked for upload a valid ID like a passport or driver's license. Follow the instructions provided to complete the steps. Bet365 also offers an option to set deposit limit during registration. This helps you manage your spending while enjoying the platform responsibly. Finally, review all details except the terms and conditions and click Join Bet365. And that's it. If this was helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.